Now that you know you can build a series of symbols to help build your library, what sort of structure should your library take? Well, one of the neat ways might be that you build a layer for each type of object that you want. Here I've got a layer called 38 timber, and it has here all my pieces of timber. I also have a corresponding symbol folder for my timber. So although I draw my timber on the piece of paper here or on the design layer, I also create a symbol for it. That means that when I have a look for foundations, I've got a folder for foundations. When I have a look for masonry or steel, I have a folder for that. The reason for having that is that if I go to use this piece of steel in another drawing, or I need a piece of timber to go with it, it's very easy to find. And you can also drag symbols directly from the resource browser if you want. If I want bits of roofing, I can put a bit of roofing on top. So you can see how putting these into symbol folders makes it easy for you to get the bits you want. Imagine if you had 200 symbols in your library, and instead of seeing the picture like that, all you saw them was a big long list. There was no they weren't in folders, so you just had one symbol after the other. It would take you ages to find what you needed. That's the whole point of these symbol folders, is to break down what you're looking at into usable chunks. If you want furniture, go to the furniture. If you want a bit of electrical, go to the electrical and find the electrical stuff. Now this is a file, this New Zealand library. I'll just go back to it. This New Zealand library has a file structure already set up. Bracing foundations. It has some masonry in it. Steel. Now there isn't a complete library here. Let me explain. This is not a complete library for you to use. This is a structure for you to use. So I've put one piece of roofing in, I've put a little bit of electrical in. I've just given you a structure. I've given you all the symbol folders that you need. You might need more. Sorry, but all the ones that I think would be a good start. So these are a good start. You've got a series of layers, so you've got somewhere now to create your symbols. If you create your symbol on the, like here, if you create the symbol called on the layer called roofing, and you put it in the roofing folder, it's the roof. If you put in the roofing symbol folder, then when you're outside Vectorworks, outside this file, and you're trying to use this particular bit of roof, it'll be easier for you to find. This is the structure I gave you so that it would be easier for you to get your library started.